Respected teachers and my dear friends, a wonderful morning to all of you. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. This day is also called Bal Divas. Bal in Hindi means a child and Divas means day. This day is also celebrated in honor of the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru or Chacha Ji by children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the epitome of love towards children and was always devoted to working towards their betterment and welfare. He said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. A child, when well nurtured, builds a stronger nation. And this can be achieved through quality education. A child's first school is their home, so parents play an important role in laying the foundation of discipline, honesty, and sincerity. A child should be treated and cared in the kindest and affectionate way, and Pandit Nehru deeply cared for their well being. Hence, many laws were established for this purpose. The schools around the country celebrate by conducting many programs to encourage children to give new ideas of innovation, and various games and stage performances are also done. Stage performances include speeches, debates, seminars, singing, and dancing. Children's Day is celebrated to revisit Chacha Nehru's principle of allowing children to have wings and fly rather than restricting and limiting their creativity. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you and have a great day.
Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon.
Also, please like, share and comment.